Hi, Guy.
Hi, Julie.
How are you?
I'm good.
I am struggling. Uh, just feel like I'm watching this out of control, Julie.
Yes.
Um, and it started beginning of December, no surprise, I guess, with the holidays, but just several things happened, and then Christmas came, and then I got the flu, and like just kind of watching this poor me unfold and
Yeah.
lacking the vigilance to watch it without doing it.
Yeah.
Heard your advice tonight.
Well, now what are we going to do?
I think I'm going to go back to what you told Nina and okay, because
You
we
know
under
what? Would you, everybody remaining, I'm glad there's still over 100 people joining us. I had a story I was going to tell, uh, actually, when I gave this talk, but I run out of time. So I'll tell you the story, and it'll give you a way to work with what we're talking about, okay? Are you there, Julie?
yes, okay.
All right. Imagine there's a knock at your door, and there standing is shiny, bright, two or three people and their children, and they say, "Hi, we represent a beautiful nonprofit organization called Mess You Up, and we're doing nothing but good work all over the world. And would you support us?" And you think to yourself, that's a strange name for a nonprofit organization, Mess You Up. But what the heck? They look clean. They've got the proper credentials. So I'm going to support this organization. And then gradually they start showing up not once a month, but once a week, and then every day at your door. And you begin suspicious about this organization, and you trail them back to their headquarters where you see them doing drugs, drinking, and doing all sorts of mischievous things with the money that you were giving them to help support others. How long would you be a supporter of that nonprofit organization called Mess You Up?
Not long.
Ah, then why are you still supporting the Mess You Up in you?
Yes. Why?
Do you get
Yes.
it?
Yes.
If I start, look, something's messing with me all the time. You're this, you're that, you can't, you won't, they did this. Oh, look, there's a truck with an atom bomb in the back. I mean, whatever it is, something's messing with me. You know what's messing with you? It's not life, it's what you don't know yet about Julie. And when
Yeah.
you resist the Mess You Up organization, or you, which is, by the way, supporting it, you just feed it. So stop supporting Mess You Up. You got it?
I do. Thank you.
That's the deal. I want to hear a report next month
Okay.
about everything you learned about Mess You Up.
Oh, okay. I
Promise?
hope it's a short list.
Oh no, trust me, there is a whole lot of stuff going on there. But if you do this work, and when I'm hosting again next month, you come on, we'll have a good chat about it, and you'll help everybody see. Everybody supports the Mess You Up Foundation.
Okay.
That's what made this world the mess that it is. But we can begin to withdraw our consent. Shall we do it?
Yes, sir.
All
Absolutely.
right.